Are we running?
Yeah.
So, got a package from Roman in Littlefield. So, opening it up. Look at that. It's real. And there are 5 of them. You know where these are going? These are going to the kids that contributed their stories to this book. Now I gotta figure out what the next book is. Okay.
Am I supposed to say anything now?
Yeah, you can say something.
I would like to say congratulations.
Thanks, Fruit.
That's awesome. You did a great job on it. Glad I was here to witness it. One of the bright spots of the pandemic.
Thanks for the help and encouragement.
You're very welcome. Always have your back.
Thanks, Fruit.
Did you